How to change phone number on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Further, scroll down and navigate to the apps option and then tap on the phone option you see there. You will then see the My Number option in the interface that you will be led to. Tap on that. Now, go ahead and tap on the number that you want to change. You will then be required to erase the existing number and further enter your new number that you want to change into. Once entered, tap on the Save button and with this, the number will be changed. So, this is how you can change phone number on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.